Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x000001F6 on Windows 11 computer. So the problem typically occurs when a message is stating that some things on Microsoft ain't went wrong and user cannot even access the store. The problem might be attributed to system files that are lost or corrupted and interrupt of the Microsoft Store. And then I'll show you some ways to fix Microsoft Store with the error code 0x000001F6. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And then once you open up this run, so here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this WS reset command to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here, the Microsoft Store, and the next solutions we will do, if the error still persists, then do this next solutions. So all you have to do is to sign out and back into Microsoft account. So all you have to do is to launch again this Microsoft Store. So same here. And then you need to click your Microsoft Store profile on top right corner. And then you need to click this sign out. And then after that, and then you need to restart this PC. And then again, you need to re-sign in again on your Microsoft account here at Microsoft Store. Alright, and then open again the Microsoft Store and try installing the apps. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close, and then click again at start menu, and then here, then you need to select this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorial. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.